What's up guys, it's Jazz, welcome to the Neurodivergent Dog Trainer. In this video we are going to be taking a look at all the toys that came in their first Super Chewer box. This is the July 2022 box. As you can see, they are impatiently waiting but doing very well at it. So first thing we've got is our normal chew we got in all the other boxes. It is a pumpkin honey recipe. They love this one. They also got their cheese easy peasy. And if you guys haven't really seen these, they're just kind of like bigger ones that we cut into smaller pieces. They also have some soft bake bacon and oatmeal recipes. These will also be cut into pieces. These are typically used for giving them cookies for going in their crates. A new thing that they get because it being a Super Chewer box is they get 2 of these pork stick chews. And our last dog, Vapor, absolutely loved these things. 100% her favorite part of it. Now, on to the part that we know they really want to get to are these toys. I actually had a toy hidden. But we've got this little pink flamingo and this little sun. These are made out of nylon, and they are, ignore them, playing with their pup box toys because we just got done with those. Yeah, they aren't going to break these. They've been destroying most all of their toys. This one's also a treat dispensing toy, so you can like fill this up with their kibble or stuff, and as they roll it around, they get the treats. I think we should give it to them. Dolly is my really heavy chewer, so I am excited to see how she likes these. They also smell really good, so like if you don't want toys that stink, the BarkBox Super Chewer might be your thing. But yeah, she's just gonna chew on it. There's really nothing all that entertaining about this right now. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Some of their kibble, and this one is to see how they do with it. It did hold very comfortably about half a cup of kibble in the large dog one, so we're gonna I like this toy, she said fine.